Hello everyone, this is Shonku and you're watching Rooftop Gardening. Today I'm going to show you the spinach plant. The growth is pretty good, as you can see. This one is a little bit of spinach and this one has to have spinach. But today I'm going to harvest it because I'm going to make a soup. I have already harvested the tomato from this one, and today I'm going to harvest a little bit of spinach plant. Okay, let me show you how to harvest. Pick it from the bottom. Actually, it's a pretty good leaves, otherwise it is actually going to dry up. From single plant I have collected 4 leaves. Okay, 4 and more. I am collecting actually the leaves only because the plants actually grow more. They are capable of growing. There is a lot of heat right now because of the summer season. They are going to dry up or die. I don't know. Let's see it is healthy or not. This is purely organic fruit that I have picked, the tomato plants, and these are organic leaf. So I hope the soup is actually will be pretty healthy. I don't know. And this is, let me leave it here. Let me pick some few more. Wow, this is like 2 months after plantation and little bit of harvesting right now. This feels pretty good. This is from my own garden. Wow, I think this will be enough for today from this one. Yes. I just dropped one. Okay, I think I'll be collecting a few more from this one. This one is pretty big. Okay, so this one, I think 5 to 8 will be fine from this plant. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 will be fine, I think. From this one, I think 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And from this one, I think 2 to 3 will be fine. 1, 2, 3 is fine. And there is 4. There is 5. I think it will be fine. I'll see you in the next video. This is the harvest. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.